Petroleum and its products. Petroleum is a dark-colored, viscous, strong-smelling liquid. Due to its great economic importance, petroleum is also called black gold. The name petroleum is derived from petra, meaning rocks, and oleum, meaning oil. Therefore, petroleum means oil from rocks. Petroleum is a complex mixture of solid, liquid, and gaseous hydrocarbons mixed with water, salt, and other particles. Thus, the crude petroleum oil is not a single chemical compound, but it is a mixture of compounds. Petroleum is lighter than water and insoluble in it. Petroleum is a natural product which is obtained from oil wells. Origin of petroleum. Petroleum was formed from the dead remains of microscopic marine plants and animals which settled in muddy sediments at the bottom of the sea millions of years ago. Due to prolonged sedimentation and accumulation of organic debris, these remains got buried deep below the surface of the earth. Intense heat and high pressure underneath and in the presence of natural catalysts, the remains of plants and animals were ultimately converted into petroleum. For this reason, petroleum is also called a fossil fuel. Occurrence of petroleum. Petroleum deposits are found deep inside the Earth's crust. These deposits are usually surrounded by non-porous rocks which do not allow petroleum to flow. Petroleum is pumped out from its reservoirs after drilling holes through the rock. These are known as oil wells. Oil-producing countries. The major producers of petroleum in the world are Russia, USA, Egypt, and Persian Gulf countries such as Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iran, etc. Oil production in India. Some of the places in our country where petroleum is being produced from the oil wells are Ankaleshwar and Kalol in Gujarat, Rudrasagar and Lakwa in Assam, Bombay High, offshore area, deltas of Kaveri, Krishna and Godavari rivers. Exploration for more oil is going on under the supervision of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, ONGC, throughout the country. Production of petroleum. Petroleum is obtained by drilling holes, oil wells, into the Earth's crust, where the presence of oil has been predicted by survey. When a well is drilled through the rocks, natural gas comes out first with a great pressure, and after some time, the oil comes out by itself due to gas pressure. After the pressure has subsided, the crude oil is pumped out of the oil well. Refining of petroleum. The process of separating petroleum into more useful fractions by fractional distillation is known as refining. Fractional distillation is done by using a tall fractionating column or fractionating tower as shown here. The crude oil is heated to a temperature of about 400 degrees Celsius in a furnace and then vapors are formed. The vapors are then passed into a tall fractionating column through pipelines near its bottom. The vapors of the high boiling fractions of petroleum condense first, and the vapors of low boiling fractions rise up into the tower and condense later. Fractional distillation is continued until the crude oil is separated into 5 or 6 fractions. Each fraction boils over a different range of temperature. Fractions of petroleum and their uses. Some important fractions of petroleum in the increasing order of boiling point along with their uses are represented here. Gas. Gas is used as gaseous fuel and for production of carbon black. Petroleum ether is used as a solvent and for dry cleaning. Gasoline is used as motor fuel. Kerosene is used as fuel and illuminant. Gas oil and diesel oil are used as furnace fuel or fuel for diesel engines. Lubricating oils, grease, Vaseline are used for lubrication. Paraffin wax is used in candles, waterproofing fabrics. Pitch and tar are used as artificial asphalt. Petroleum coke is used as fuel and in electrodes. Petroleum refining in India. The following are the oil refineries in India: Mumbai, Chennai, Mathura, Barauni, Digboi, Guwahati, Haldia, Kochi, Koyali and Visakhapatnam. The oldest refinery in India is at Digboi in Assam, which was established in 1901. Most of the refining of petroleum and marketing of petroleum products is being done by a government organization called Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOC. Petrochemicals. The chemicals which are prepared from the fractions of petroleum are called petrochemicals. Some important petrochemicals are methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, ethylene, benzene, toluene, acetone, DDT and BHC. Uses of petroleum. Petroleum products are used as fuels. Lubricating oils, grease and Vaseline are used as lubricants. Paraffin wax, a product of petroleum, is used for manufacturing candles, polishes, waterproofing, etc. Some of the byproducts of petroleum after purification are used in the preparation of medicines, ointments, face creams and cosmetics. Bitumen is used for metalling roads.